What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to verify your Twitch email, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So how to verify your Twitch email. So the steps are as follows. You need to go to the upper right corner on your profile picture and press on it. After it, from the drop down menu, select settings, and over here in the settings what you need to do is select security and privacy. Over here what you need to do is basically on the email, this email will be linked to your account. You press add an email address, enter one over here, enter it again. So I'll be back in a second. So basically when you entered your email address, they have sent you a verification code to your email address that you entered. So basically you just enter that code and email will be updated. As you can see, click on the profile page, follow the steps that I did, go to email field, enter it, which will send you a verification link to email address used for verification. And basically that is the way on how to verify your email address on Twitch. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.